Hi guys, my name is Rene and I'm a commercial actress and a model, and I get this question all the time. How do I become a model? Or how do I get my kids into modeling? I'm a model and my two boys are models as well. And together we're signed with 3-4 agencies now, from LA to London to Berlin. You can find me in ads like this one. Or this one. Or this. You want to be a model? This is how you do it. Number one, figure out your market. Are you going to do commercial modeling? Are you going to be a fashion model? Are you going to do runway modeling? Are you going to be a body parts model, which is a thing? Figure out your market. Figure out where you want to be. Figure out what you can do. Hone it in and move forward. Number two, search for a legitimate agency. All you gotta do, go on Google. If you're in one of the popular cities like London, New York, LA, Paris, it'll be super easy. Go to Google, search agencies in your area, look for legitimate agencies that have been doing it for a while, and follow their submission process. If you're not in one of those big cities, my advice to you is to search for the closest, biggest city near you and submit to them as well. Number three, get your digitals done. They don't have to be super fancy. You don't need to go and hire a crazy photographer, pay $400 to get some digitals done. Grab a friend, grab your phone, take a headshot, take a profile, take a full body, boom, done. Keep it simple. No big labels on your clothes. You can do super simple, like this. Black pants, black top, boom, simple. Then you submit. So maybe that should go with number three as well. But once you have that done, then follow the processes that they have on their website, agency's website, and submit. A lot of agencies also do open calls. Make sure you follow the rules when submitting. If you're not following the rules to a T, they will most likely dismiss it, throw it out, won't even look at it. And then when that's all said and done, let it go. Put it out into the universe. You're done. Don't think about it. Keep searching for more agencies and keep it moving. So those are my 4 tips to getting in. Once you're in, different story. If you want to know or need some help, looking for some advice for someone that's been doing it for 7 years, I've done commercials for T-Mobile, Samsung, Chase Bank, Pepsi ads, Apple ads. I am your girl. I have a group. It's called The Thing About Modeling. You can go to the website, click the links in the bio, sign up for my Facebook group, and I will be ecstatic, super stoked to help you out. I cannot wait to hear from you, and good luck.